Hi, little puppies are 11 weeks old today. So this is Rosco von Kressbach and Aurora, Macy, Dakota von Vitko. So it's a nice, beautiful day. They get to play outside in the grass. So we've got Red Boy here and Light Blue Boy. So Red and Light Blue are both available still. So there's Light Blue Boy. Here's Red. Come on, Papas. They're just checking everything out. It's the first nice day they've been able to come outside. Come on, guys. Good boy.
Sorry.
Come on, Papa. Good boys. So 11 weeks old. So Red and Light Blue are available. So reach out to Vomhouse Aurora on Facebook or vomhouseaurora@gmail.com for more information. Say bye, Papa. Bye-bye, guys. See you soon.